Excuse me? Yes, you heard me well, right? Yes. You did not pay your full bill. Come on! What's up YouTube? It's your boy Demetrie and I'm back again with a banger video, right? Yeah, I know a long time not see me, but I'm there again and I'm there in a full strength there. So today, I have a prank calling video, if you know, prank calling Jamaican boyfriends and Jamaican girlfriends, right? So without further ado, we are getting at the video, right? Alright people, so today, we have a special guest. You want to shout out the Instagram?
Demetrie 6. Yeah, _6. You know I come down.
Alright, and you know you have to follow me on Instagram. All socials that I am Demetrie. Alright. So let's get into the video. Alright, so our first caller. Alright. We have a call.
This is somebody. God forgive us.
Hello, good afternoon. Am I speaking to Ashley? Alright, I am Dr. Roberts from the Spanish Hospital, and we have a patient by the alias name of Boomer. Are you familiar with that name? Excuse me? This is not a joke. Excuse miss, this is a serious situation. Well, he would like for you to come down here. Could you do that?
I'm prank Ashley. You know who? Jade.
And Demetrie.
Alright.
So yeah, man, alright guys, so that was a good one. So we have our next number, you know, we will call. So see the one I turn on. Put on speaker. Alright.
Hello. Yeah, done probe your community. Yeah, done probe your community. Yeah, done probe your community. I want a little juvenile and give me a number, you know. You know. Yes, sir. I want a little juvenile and probe you give me a number, you know. You know. No, but tell you. Why am I tell you a juvenile name? No, that. But that's not me. I'll see in a community and I go want to, you know. Hush for your leave, man. Oh, dear, now hush for your leave. Stop work. You want to use your head now. How your name? How your name I pronounce? Angelica. Yeah, me I say, yo, are you organizing your background still now, baby girl? Yeah, you hear me? Yeah, you can't turn down that in your background, the baby girl. Okay. You hear me I say, yo, me I done from up a year away. So you say, me can't DM you. Me can text you. Hello? Text you. Okay.
Fair one got last. That one your head light.
want them, I saw them get take with people.
Man,
They don't know about text them on
Text.
WhatsApp.
we don't have a number already still.
Yeah.
So. Alright, the one there, never that bad though. Alright, I'm have to subscribe, see me. Alright, we can't call stupid because look at she there on Paris. She look at she there on Ashley.
Give me.
That's awesome. There's a lovely man needs to call back she.
You have David?
Yeah, David and Vanessa person.
Alright, call.
Hello? Oh, this David. You know, see me going to stop text Vanessa though. I want to stop text Vanessa because I see her number. Your number in her phone and I don't want you to talk up to her. I want you to stop text Vanessa, you deaf? You not want to know who this man. And me and knock it first, you know. I want you to be easy. Brother, you not have to know who this.
Hello. Karim. I want you love channel, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, cause I watch her now. Watch her now, my girl, you know, my friend, and I see her in her phone, and then watch her now. You know, like what I see, you know, so watch her now, just block her and stop talk to my woman, you know, brother. Just, sounds so shaky. Yeah, it sounds like you're a punk, so, bro. Johnny help me a talk about my friend. Just lower her out. No, if you know long talkings. You see, if you ever tell her something, call you. Don't. So what you have to say? Sleep. Oh. All me I tell you, if you tell her something, her man call, dot, straight, brawling, midday. Say, if you tell her something, call you, it a gonna be brawling, midday, crime, dot. Sound hurt so. Sound hurt so. So. Yeah man, stop move like a fob soap and move like a case.
Alright people, so we have two more to do. I make him do the one and then me do the last one. Alright, so we get in on this. Alright. What am I look for? Oh. Like that off. I didn't even get call back. Make it stay people. You say I go sometime with the idols though.
You that go 1 year with the home for man. And couple months, you know?
Sweet that man.
What's your name?
Demetrie, the boy named Devil Oil. That boy,
Hello. I the voice. Yeah man, you don't know what go on, bro. You know Demetrie? Yeah. Yeah, Demetrie. So you sound like you're not so sure. And you're a girl, my friend. Yeah, ask you a question. Yeah, man, you know, say, girl like a girl, I say, yo, she never want you, bro. And you just a piss her, and then think the easy. And me I say, oh, no boy enough, you move so shaky, you know. And you move like a fab soap, you see. And you move like and you move like a cake soap. You see me? Yeah, man. I'm not like how should I deal with it still, you see? That's the one. Yeah, man. So we have to say, you just a move, so. You just have to make sure you deal with this, so. Style, yo. Sound like you're a lover boy, you know. Mm-hmm. Shaky, man. Now if you say 40, man. Yes, I. Yeah, man. So like you're gonna murder her, so now. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Nobody follow Dina crazy, you see? Nobody follow Dina crazy. Go watch Governor. Song, you see? Oh, you're busy, stick here. Okay. That not sound so good though, but from the dirty side. Yeah. Nobody in yourself now, you know.
I feel like I need to come out. Let us cross our fingers that this person will answer and we get to finish this video off. Alright. Yeah, the name of our boys too. Shikui. Is that okay? Hello, is this Shaquille? Oh, ooh, the spirit showed me your name wrong. I am an Indian astrologer. Are you interested in Illuminati? Why is there laughter? Are you with us? Hello? Could you stop sacrificing the chickens? Is over here we don't work with the chickens, we work with the cows. And we love the big offerings. I will send you or address cause you sound interested. I was serious from the moment that you answered. Are you taking us for a joke? My brother, let us pray for him.
We're gone. We're gone.
Just let me laugh for once. Let's come on.
Ever.
Alright guys, so we had fun, right?
Yes,
We had fun.
it's fun.
Alright people, so thanks for watching. If you are still here, you are really a true supporter and God will bless you even more. Alright, so thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me which one is your favorite caller. We're going with who?
Let me see.
I'm going with Ashley. I think Ashley was my favorite caller.
Actually, I think Tracy.
Tracy say funny.
You're funny. Come on,
Alright, so we had some fun today, right guys? So remember to follow him on Instagram at
Demetrie_6.
and you follow
any other way a dirt.
and you follow me at I am Demetrie. Alright, so thanks for watching and see y'all. Oh yes, we start posting every Wednesdays and every Saturdays. So see you next time.